Today, we review the best 5 teeth whitening treatment that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitening Treatment Kit. The Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitestrips Teeth Whitening Treatment Kit delivers professional whitening results in the comfort of your own home. Crest use the same enamel-safe hydrogen peroxide ingredient as dentists do, which penetrates deep below the enamel's surface to effectively remove tough, unsightly teeth stains.
Number 2.
Crest 3D White Whitening Toothpaste 3.5-ounce Twin Pack. The Crest 3D White Whitening Toothpaste Twin Pack is the perfect whitening treatment as it whitens, strengthens, and protects your teeth. Gentle on teeth and gums, the 3.5-ounce toothpaste does not contain harsh peroxide but uses silica that effectively polishes and removes up to 80% of surface stains caused by coffee, tea, and wine.
Number 3.
Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste 4.7-ounce 3-pack. The Opalescence 4.7-ounce Whitening Toothpaste 3-pack is a great natural treatment for whitening and protecting your teeth. If your teeth are starting to stain from tea, coffee, or red wine, do not panic. The Opalescence toothpaste whitens your teeth by 2 shades a month, so you can maintain a beautiful white smile.
Number 4.
Aura Glow Teeth Whitening Pen. The Advanced Aura Glow 2 ml Teeth Whitening Pen is a simple but powerful whitening solution for maintaining already white teeth. You can use the pen once or twice a day to remove coffee, tea, wine, and tobacco stains from the surface of your teeth.
Number 5.
Aura Glow Deluxe Teeth Whitening System. The Aura Glow Deluxe Teeth Whitening System delivers fantastic whitening results. Successful teeth whitening is due to the powerful 35% carbamide peroxide gel and the 5-bulb LED accelerator light that speeds up the whitening process. There is even a built-in 10-minute audible timer to help you keep track of the whitening session time.